The 2012 Mitsubishi Outlander ES, powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with a 5-speed manual transmission. This vehicle, with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Mitsubishi features privacy glass, front-wheel drive, and power steering. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power door locks, heated power mirrors, and Bluetooth wireless. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at San Leandro Honda, a Carfax Advantage dealer.